WT0506, Mylene Sanga, 32 years old, married, high school graduate, 2 years experience housemaid in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Mylene Sanga, 32 years old, living in San Siwa, Pampanga.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
2 hours po.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My sister and my friends.
Tell me something about your housemaid experience in the Philippines.
My experience being a housemaid, I enjoy my work and my kids. Other kids.
What are your hobbies?
Only music and cleaning the house.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
No, not yet, but I want to know.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First wash the bottle and then put in the boiling water 10 to 15 minutes.
What else?
And then put in a dryer.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the diaper if they have something there, and then I will put there in a comfortable place.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
First, I will check the temperature, and then I will tell my employer.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Give me one example.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the high, so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay.
Do you have any other talents?
It's only singing.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will keep myself busy.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
No, ma'am.
What will you do?
I will talk my employer about the problem in the Philippines, then I will ask if they give me a sole vacation.
What could you teach the children?
I will teach them a good moral and right conduct, and then I will teach them how to sing and then how to write.
Okay. How long can you work in Hong Kong and why Hong Kong?
I will work there as long as my employer wants me to work with their family.
Why Hong Kong?
It's a good salary.
Give your message to Bison employer.
Hi, ma'am, sir. I'm Mylene Sanga. I want you to hire me because I need